Hello and welcome to my simulator update. So I've been mucking up some new parts, but rather than doing a long talk through, I'm going to let you see what the new parts are like and how they work, and then give you a run through later. Okay, let's turn the sound down on that. As you can see, I have a little bezel. I decided to mock up a steel subframe in ABS, a plastic. It's a rather thin piece of ABS, but it's the same thickness as the steel subframe. And on there, I bought a second Kawasaki linear motor that you can see here and here. And I mounted the gear indicator and the speedometer onto it. If you have a quick look in the exploded view, been doing a bit of visualization, you can see the seal subframe here, as well as the gear indicator and the Kawasaki motors. I've been doing a bit of research. Linear motors are only from the Kawasaki range from about 1995 to 1997 or something like that, and in that time they weren't using stepper motors. They were using linear motors that essentially have a coil that run around an arc to turn the needle. As I say, they don't do those anymore, so if you were to try and connect a rev burner to one of these, a modern one, you'd have to find the live points at the back of the console and the PCB. Now, to move on, there is still a very long way to go. I have to produce the covers that are going to be 3D printed. In that, I'll have to produce the central frame and the instrument hood and the rear cover. The rear cover will need to be amended slightly because I now have the rev burners that I've put inside of the case. Before they were outside the case, but now they're inside the case. You can see a design here that I'm putting together that's extended the end of the current cover. It also has venting on it. There is the graphical gauge that also needs changing. You can see a better view here. Going to make the crescent of the line work smaller, so you're going to shrink that so the needle runs right over the line work. Here you can see a picture of the outside of the instrument panel, You can see it all works well together nicely. Hoping to cover it with lots of carbon fibre, absolutely lashings of the stuff. Okay, so that's where I am at the moment in my little simulator project. Got a little design going here, and I'm starting to receive the electrical assembly, hoping to make much more progress with the 3D printing and the laser cuts. Okie doke, that's enough of me. We should really get back to the on-screen action, because that's much more interesting than me waffling on.